In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media content calendar in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's jump right in. First, sign in to your Outlook account in your web browser. Once you're in, open PowerPoint from the left sidebar. If you don't see it right away, expand the app list and select PowerPoint. This takes you to the PowerPoint web home, where we'll grab a ready-made design to speed things up. At the top, use the search bar and type social media calendar. You'll see a variety of templates designed for planning posts. Browse the results and choose a template that already includes a calendar layout. That will save you a lot of formatting time. When you found one you like, open it and select Edit so you can work directly in your browser without downloading anything. With the template open, you can start customizing your calendar. Let's replace the default imagery first so it reflects your brand or campaign. On the top menu, look for the option called Change Picture. Select the image on the slide that you want to update, then click Change Picture. PowerPoint will ask where you want to source the image. You can upload one from your device, choose something from your cloud files, or use stock images if you want a royalty-free option. For this walkthrough, let's use stock images. Click stock images, then browse or pick a category that fits your theme. You can also use the search bar to narrow it down. Click on the picture you want and then click insert. The image will be placed right into your slide. If it doesn't fit perfectly, adjust it by dragging the corners to resize, reposition it as needed, or use the crop and picture formatting tools until it looks just right. Next, let's tailor the text. Click into any text box to edit the title, dates, and content cues. Highlight the text you want to change and then update the font, size, color, and style from the toolbar. Keep readability in mind. Use strong contrast for headings and choose clean fonts for daily details. If you have brand colors, apply them to headings or accent elements for a cohesive look. Work through the slides, swapping images where needed and refining the wording so it matches your posting plan. Autosave is on in the web version, so your changes are protected as you go. When you're done, your social media content calendar is ready to share, present, or export, giving you a clear visual plan for consistent content.